Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix missing Instagram notes. Here is a general guide on how to fix missing Instagram notes. First of all, update the Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If any update is available, tap on update. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Restart Instagram app, close the Instagram app completely and then reopen it. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This can resolve any corrupted files. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the home setting, scroll down and tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps. After that, search for Instagram. In app info, tap on storage. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider reporting the problem to Instagram. For that, open the Instagram app. After that, tap on profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down, you can see here help, tap on it. In help, tap on report a problem. In report a problem, briefly explain what happened or what's not working. Describe the issue. You can upload a photo or a screenshot. After that, tap on send. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.